Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can access MetaMask on your Chrome browser, so make sure you follow my to till the end. First of all, you need to search for the MetaMask on Google, and now right after that you'll be able to see a link at top on the screen where you need to click on that option, and now you'll be redirected to the official page of the MetaMask where you can see two download options, which is at the top right corner of this screen and another is at the bottom left corner of this screen. So simply select this one, which is download for Chrome option, and now you'll be redirected to the Chrome web store where you can see add to Chrome at the right side on this MetaMask. So just tap on the or click on the add to Chrome option, and now finally just click on add extension and you will be able to download it successfully. And once your download gets complete, you will be able to access it as well. So basically this is how you can access MetaMask on your Google Chrome. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, click it into a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.